to Piano School Publishing's video online tutorials. So today we're up to the preliminary book and we're going to be doing page 4 and 5 as well as 8 and 9 in this video. So on page 4 we have new bass clef chords. So far we're familiar with C chord, G7 chord and F chord. So C chord, F chord, G7 chord. Now I did speak up before about when we can take a chord such as C chord and we can take those three notes C, E and G and we can make any pattern we like with those three notes. All I'm using is the notes C, E and G, and I can use them multiple times, but as long as I'm playing those three notes and just only those three notes, it's a C chord. So we can create patterns with these chords, so it'll make our left hand more interesting. So rather than just doing C chord, F chord, G7 chord, what we can do is we can make a pattern. So there's a pattern on here on page 4 that we're going to start. It's a very simple pattern, but you have to start somewhere. So it's going to be C chord, and we're going to break the chord into two halves. So the bottom note C and the top note E and G, and the bottom note and the E and G. And that's going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So normally where we might play a song, what is the song over here? Okay, so say if we Lightly Row, which is a song we've learnt previously, and we're just playing the chord. So what we can do is we can take C chord, and we can take G7 chord and do the same thing. Break it into half, so the B and playing the F and the G. So the song now becomes There are 1,000,001 possibilities with those chords. So we can get make something much more elaborate, like and so forth. So it's really only limited to our imaginations. Okay, so heading over, so this exercise here on page 4, we have to practice going C chord. So, and you can see the chords there, they look a bit different because they've been broken up. And we're going to call this a swing style. It's a very basic swing style. So if you can have a look on page 4, you'll see the original chords, C chord, G7 and F chord. And then if you look just in the next bar after it, you'll see how it's written into a broken chord or a swing style. And over here, we've got C chord, F chord, G7, C chord, F chord, G7, C chord. And that sounds something like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm counting out loud because we've got notes together so we don't do point, play and say. Be aware there's a repeat at the end of that, so that's going to send us all the way back to the start, and we're going to do it again. You do have to write the chord symbols above there, and now we're going to quickly go over then to Merrily We Roll Along. So Merrily We Roll Along is a simple song, quite simple. I'll do the right hand for you so you can see. E, D, C, D, E, E, E2, D, D, D2, E, E, E2, E, D, C, D, E, E, E2, D, D, E, D, C, 2, 3, rest. So simple song. It's simple because we want to practice doing this swing style to the left hand. So again, you're going to have to write the chord symbols in up the top, so recognizing the chords down there. So by now you should start to be familiar and be able to see that. And when you're playing with chord symbols, what you will start to do over time is get skill to be able to look at a group of notes and straight away go, oh, that's really C in the left hand, and that's really F, and that's really G7, as we learn more chords. Okay, so when we're putting this together, The important thing is to go slowly and do small sections at a time. So even if you start with the first bar and just 1, 2, 3, 4 and go, yeah, I got that, excellent. So we'll try and do the 2 bars together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, if we have a listen to the rest there, sorry, we're backing, that's what I was talking about there, track number 2, here we go. So it's not a very fast song.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ready, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's it. All right, so enjoy learning Merrily We Roll Along.